Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Take that picture off the device also.
Alright, I will.
Take the following pictures off the device also. And take that picture off the device as well.
There, now I took all the pictures off the fire alarm device.
Good. Now you take those pictures off the fire alarm device, because they cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Oh, I almost forgot. A police officer is coming. But hold on, I'll snap my finger to get police officer to come. I'll snap it in magic.